Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove outlet covers and clear a 3-4 footwork area so nothing gets wet. Once done, score the wallpaper border lightly with a fine scoring tool. You want tiny holes, not tears. This step matters because liquid must reach the adhesive, otherwise you'll peel paper only and leave paste. Make sure to protect floors and use gloves. Now mix a stripping solution and warm water in a spray bottle. You'll apply it immediately after scoring. You'll spray the warm solution across the scored border so it soaks through. Allow about 8-10 minutes for the adhesive to soften. Then, using a wide plastic scraper held at a low angle, lift the edge slowly and pull paper back parallel to the wall. If paper tears, respray and wait, don't force it. For thick paste, alternate with a damp microfiber sponge or a hand steamer on low. Doing this gradually avoids damaging drywall underneath. You finish by removing lingering paste. Scrub gently with warm water and a sponge, adding a small amount of trisodium cleaner if residue resists. Once dry, sand any fibers smooth and patch dents with joint compound. You want an even surface. Make sure to prime the repaired area with a stain-blocking primer before repainting or installing new wallpaper. Troubleshooting tip. If adhesive still clings, repeat soaking rather than aggressive scraping. Prolonged force risks tearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.